Good morning, garden friends. Today, I'd like to focus on my side garden there. It's mainly full sun, this area. I'd like to plant the hydrangeas, Macrophylla hydrangeas that I picked up from Costco. You can see such a beautiful color. They need to get out and into the ground. I have 3 of them here. I'd also like to finally get those lilacs in the ground instead of just sitting there in their containers. And I don't know if this white sheet is doing anything. I put it there to protect my seedlings that the birds were just kind of coming by, and they were eating all the seeds before they even had a chance to germinate. And I don't have row covers. I ordered it on Amazon. It's gonna take a while for it to get here. It told me like almost a month, which is unheard of for me when it comes to Amazon products. But I think I'm just gonna remove it. If I have to just plant plants in the ground, then so be it. Either way, that spot is gonna be beautiful. Yes. So I'm gonna plant the hydrangeas. I'm gonna plant the dwarf lilacs, the lollipop lilacs, and then I also picked up a flat of lobelia. Picked up this flat of lobelia. It looks purple in the camera, but it's a true blue. And I plant that right in the front of the bed, going all across. And I also have this Russian sage that I'd like to put in the ground. It's a proven winner's variety, denim and lace Russian sage. That is also going in the full spot area over there. I picked up 3 of them, and since they were just sitting out here, I just kind of plopped them into containers. So I have this one there. You saw that one. And then I have another one right there. So I'm going to take them all out and just plant up that bed as it's supposed to be. And yeah, so let's get to planting. It is drizzling out here right now. So you will hear some water or see it falling down. I just hope to get this done before the kids come out, and a little drizzle doesn't hurt. It actually feels like I'm working within nature and its boundaries. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna plant in the rain. you.